session online class. In today's session I am going to explain a new chapter, that is basic geometrical ideas. So next concept is geometry. That first lesson is the basic geometrical ideas. You know what is the line, ray, line segments, clear? Have you seen this? Line, straight line, then cross, horizontal line, vertical line, clear? So that we will see now what is the lines. What is the meaning of line? Lines means a line is a one-dimensional figure which has length but no width. So if you draw a straight line, if you draw a line, so this is what a straight line, correct? It's not looks like a straight line. So draw straight line. So this is a line. So if you draw like this, can you say that this is a line? So this is will say straight line, but if you stop here, so if you stop here, you can say there is an end point, right? So this is end point and this is a end point, another end point. But a line means a line has a no ends. Line has a no ends. You can extend, you can increase this length. So by extending this line, and here also you can extend this. Clear? So it has a no end. So you can extend continuously. In that side also you can extend. So this is what a line. Line has a no ends. But this is what it has a length but no width. So can you say that this is a width? So you can draw small line also. So here no width. You can draw length but no width. This is one-dimensional figure. Okay, line has a no end points. Line has a no end points. That means in this side, if you represent this arrow marker, that means this line can be extended. You can draw a line. This side also you can extend this line. So this is a line. Okay, this is what a line. If you draw one more line, this is also line. This is called line segment. This is called what? Line segment, because it has a end point. It has a end point. What is the line segment? Line segment has a fixed end point. You cannot extend this. This is a line segment. If you consider this is one point, this is another point. Two end points are there in a line segment. But in lines, you can extend. This arrow mark shows what? This you can extend this line. Length of that line you can increase. That both the side. This is line and this is a line segment. Line has no ends, but the line segment has two fixed end points. If for example this is A and this is a B. This is what? AB is a line segment. Next we can see ray. Ray means in a geometry a ray can be defined as a part of a line. Ray means it's a part of a line that has fixed starting point. It has a fixed starting point but no end points. This arrow mark shows that there is no end for this line. So it will move straightly, but you cannot extend this side because there is an end point. This is what? End point, fixed point. From fixed point you can draw a line. This is what? Ray. This is called a ray. If you start from here, so this is C and you can draw a ray. This is another ray. You can draw like this also, but arrow mark shows it goes down, right? Here the ray goes up. Here we can consider like this also. This is the end point. Here we can extend this line. So this is what? Ray. But in the line, you should know what is the difference between lines, line segment and ray. Ray means it has only one fixed point. There is only one fixed point. In the other end there is no end point. You can extend that line. You can increase the length of that line. Clear? But lines means in both the side you get arrow mark like this. That means in both the side you can extend. You can increase the length. In this side also you can increase and this side also. There is no end point for lines. But in the line segment it has two fixed end points. You can draw line segment like this also. But here it has an end point. A and B or CD. You can consider CD, X, Y. C is the first point, this is the end point. You cannot extend in the line segment. But in lines we can extend the length of the line. Clear? So but ray has the one fixed point. In the other end no fixed point. Clear? You can extend the line. Okay, next so your intersecting lines. What is meaning of intersecting lines? A vertical line and horizontal line. So see your intersecting lines means when one line or line segment. Now you understood now what is line and line segment. Here when one line crosses another line, one line crosses another line at one point, that is what intersecting points, intersecting lines. So this is what one line, it crosses another line at one point, that is what called as intersecting lines. So or we can say that when one line or line segment, you can take any line segment. So this is what line segment, two endpoints. Okay, it crosses another line segment and at one fixed point. It will intersect at one point, right? So these line segment and this line, two line segments. These lines are called intersecting. So it will intersect at one point, right? So this is what when one line segment crosses another line segment at one point. This is called what? Intersecting lines. So here the third example. See how the lines are intersecting. See, this is one line. Another line is crosses previous line. Yeah. So we can draw many lines to one point. So here all the lines are passing through one point, intersecting at one point. Clear? So this is what intersecting. So one line crosses another line at one point. That is called what? Intersecting lines. Next, you know what is a vertical line and horizontal line. So here I have definition. Vertical line means lines that run straight up and down. So this is called what? Vertical line. This is a vertical line. So it means lines that run straight up and down. Here, so this is what a vertical line. Okay. Next, you know horizontal line. So what is the horizontal line? It means lines that runs straight across from left to right. Okay, lines that runs straight. This is straight, right? So across from left to right. So this is a horizontal line. Sweeping line. Clear? So this is vertical line. Understood? This is what intersecting lines, vertical line, horizontal line. Next we'll see what is parallel lines, perpendicular lines. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Next that is parallel lines. You know what is the parallel line? See here the parallel line means lines that runs in the same direction. Lines first and second, two lines are considered. So lines that runs in the same direction, always remaining the same distance apart. Means always remaining same distance apart. Means in between this, see, this is AB is a line segment, right? AB is one line segment. Another line segment is CD. So in this AB and CD, the distance between AB and CD, if you extend this line also, it remains same. The distance remains same. Should remain same. That means that is what a parallel line. So AB and CD, if you extend this line continuously, if you draw a line like this now, the distance should remain same. For example, if the distance between A to C, here if it is 2 centimeter, if you extend this line, the last distance, here the distance also should be 2 centimeter only. Clear? So that means parallel lines never crosses one another. Clear? The parallel lines are never crosses one another. That means if I draw a straight line, another line if you draw like this is it parallel? No. This is intersecting lines. This is not a parallel lines. If you see, for example, if I consider one line segment AB, another line segment, if I draw here the distance like this, then this will extend the line like this. This is a parallel? No, this line is also not a parallel lines. Parallel lines means if you Should not meet at any point. Should not meet at any point. Clear? So distance between AB and CD remains same. Clear? So that means lines that runs in the same direction. Lines that runs in the same direction always are remaining the same distance apart. Always remaining the distance. That means distance between AB and CD. Clear? The distance remains remaining same. Clear? Distance remaining same in between AB and the CD. This is what parallel lines. Sometimes we draw a parallel line like this. If you consider line segment a straight line segment, AB is a vertical line and one more line we can draw, that is a CD. So CD also vertical line. So this AB is parallel to CD. AB is a parallel to CD. See, mathematically we can write like this. AB is parallel to CD. This is what mathematical representation. AB is parallel to CD. Or can write, can draw like this also. This is also parallel lines. And if you want, you can draw one more third line. AB, CD, EF. So these lines are parallel. If you consider this is A, this is B, and this point is C, and this point is D, and this is E, and this point is F. My question is it AB is parallel to CD? Yes, AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, we can say that CD is also parallel to EF. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, then AB also parallel to EF. So the lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines. If you extend this line also, that lines will not meet at any point. So here, this is what a parallel lines. Next we can see perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. So what is the meaning of perpendicular? That means when two lines intersect, to form a square corner. To form a square corner. That means, see, here one line will intersect the another line. Correct? Will cross the another line. And it forms a square corner. See here, this angle is 90 degree and this angle also makes a 90 degree. This is what perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect, two lines. Here this line is intersecting by another line. Correct? So these two lines are intersecting. Clear? But it makes the angle 90 degree. Square means 90. Clear? Each angle is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So if two lines are intersecting and form a square corner, forms a square corner. Okay? In the square, how you get the corner? See, this is what a square. The corner, if you see, 90 degree each angle 90 degree like this. Clear? So this is it makes a square corner. Okay? When two lines intersect and form a square corner, it is what perpendicular line. So if I draw intersecting lines like this is one line, another line is this. Is it this line forms a square corner? No. So this is not a perpendicular line. These lines are called intersecting lines. Yeah. So here the lines are intersecting, but it forms a square corner. Forms a square corner. So this is called perpendicular lines. So each corner, each angle, this is angle. This is what makes 90 degree. Understood? Perpendicular line and next to parallel lines, intersecting lines. Perpendicular line, both lines will be straight like this. Okay? You can draw. This is also called a perpendicular line. Perpendicular, parallel, intersecting lines. Clear? Yes. Thank you. Okay, next concept, that is angles. You know what is angle? Angles means an angle is a figure formed by two rays. Angle is a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common point. So what is angle? Angle is a formed by two rays. So ray means, you know how you can write rays. This is what AB is one ray and BC is another ray. So two rays, an angle is a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common point. So these two rays will meet at a common point. So which is the common point here? This B. I represented B. This is what? Common point. So which is a ray? AB is one ray and BC is another ray. Okay, AB one ray and BC is another ray. So these two rays will meet at one point. That point is B. Clear? So here it makes an angle. This is what? Angle. This is called a angle. So how we will read this? You have to read. So this is angle B, right? So ABC angle. This is what? Angle ABC. Or you can say that CBA. So angle CBA. Understood? What is angle? An angle is a figure formed by two rays at a common, meeting at a common point. That point is here B. Meeting at a common point. So two rays meeting at common point, that is here. In this figure, the common point is B. The common point is called its vertex. This common point is called what? Vertex of the angle. This is called vertex. Okay. So if I draw angle like this is what? This is also called angle. So you can name this as this is X, Y, Z. So in this point Y is a common point. So can you name this two rays in this angle? In this angle there are two rays. So which and all? One is XY ray, another one YZ. Isn't it? Yes, one is XY ray and another one is a YZ ray. So two rays will meet at one point. See, these two rays meeting at one point. That is a 1. The point is 1. That is what? Common point for both the rays, right? So there are two rays will meeting at one common point. So it makes one figure, right? So this figure is what? Angle. Angle Y. So how we can read this? This is X, Y, Z. Angle X, Y, Z. Or you can say that Z, Y, X. Okay? So this is about angle. So here each of the two rays that forms an angle is called arms. Sometimes we call this as arms or a ray. Okay? Arms, whichever arms that is X, Y and Y, Z are called arms or sides of the angle. Sides of the angle. So that means you can say that X, Y is a ray, or you can say this is arms. Okay? ARMS. Okay? Arms or the sides of the angle. This is the sides of the angle. This is angle. So these two are sides of the angle. Clear? Yes. What is angle? An angle is a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common point. Clear? So this is the angle. This is what? Angle. So ABC. Angle ABC, or we can say that CBA is a angle. Yes. Thank you. Okay, next types of angles. The types of angles, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, complementary angles, reflex angle. Clear? First we see what is the right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Okay. First here I wrote right angles. What is meaning of right angle? Right angles means an angle whose measures is equal to 90 degree. An angle measures is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. See here I drawn a right angle. This is what a right angle. So this angle measures 90 degree, exact 90 degree. Clear? So this is right angle. We can draw like this also. This is also what? Right angle. So if this angle measures 90 degree, exactly 90. Clear? Exactly 90. So that is what? Right angles. What is right angle? An angle whose measures is equal to 90 degree. An angle measures is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. See here I draw some diagrams, the figures, that is right angle figure. Clear? So right angle 90 degree. Okay. Next we can see what is acute angle. Acute angle means an angle that is less than 90. In protractor you can see. So if you see the protractor, this is what you can imagine. See in this, see your protractor, right? So in that we get exact 90 degree. If you get exact 90, that is right angle. But get an angle that is less than 90. Less than 90 means it may be 0, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So, okay, less than 90. Less than 90 degrees are called acute angle. It may be 89 degree, clear? 87 degree. All these angles are example to what? Acute angle. 0 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, clear? So that is what? Less than 90. So here I draw one acute angle. So this is what acute angle. You can consider here angle is 60 degree. 60 degree means that is acute angle. That is less than 90. Correct? 60 degree is less than 90. So this is example to what? Acute angle. This is acute angle because the angle measures 60 degree, that is less than 90. Less than 90. Clear? If you want, you can draw like this also. Reflex. See like this. So this is also 60 degree. You can draw the angle like this. So 60. If I write here 35, 35 also acute. 89 degree. All these are acute angles. Okay. Next, what is obtuse angle? Acute angle means less than 90 degree, greater than 0. Okay. But in obtuse angle, an angle that is in between 90 and 180. Angles are lying between 90 and 180 means greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. Clear? That is what? Obtuse angle. So angle I wrote like this. See? If you want, you can draw obtuse angle. That is greater than 90. Greater than 90 degree means it may be 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 70, 170 degree. All these are obtuse angle. So obtuse angle, so this is what 90 degree, exact 90, correct? So next, if you draw like this is what? It may be 110 degree or this is 120 degree. All these are obtuse angle. That is greater than 90. Greater than 90. You cannot say 190 degrees obtuse angle. Why? Because obtuse angle means in between 90 and 180. 180, that is a straight angle. That is a straight angle. Let me see next. Okay. Now obtuse angle means what? Angle is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. Clear? So you can consider 100 and the protractor, you can see this 179 degree is all obtuse angles. Maybe 105 degree, 95 degree also, that is the obtuse angle. That is greater than, above 90, correct? Above 90, below 180 degree. Okay, that is what obtuse angle. An angle that is in between 90 and 180. In between 90 and 180 is called obtuse angle. Clear? Example, you can consider 130, 145, 179. All these are obtuse angles. Clear? Yes. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Thank you. Okay, next angle, that is the fourth one, straight angle. What is meaning of straight angle? Straight angle means a straight angle is an internal angle which is equal to 180 degree. Measures exact 180. Straight. So clear? This is what? Straight angle. So it measures exact 180 degree. You can draw like this. This is also straight line. So what is the angle? So straight angle is always 180 degree. Clear? Right angle is exact 90 degree. But acute angle is less than 90. Obtuse angle in between 90 and 180. Clear? So above 90, below 180. That is obtuse angle. But what is straight angle? The straight angle is an internal angle. This is what internal angle which is equal to 180 degree. Which is equal to 180 degree. This is what straight angle. Next that is reflex angle. Reflex angle means an angle that is greater than 180. Greater than 180. That means 190, 200, 250. Clear? So this is what? And below 360. Below 360. This is like reflex angle. So an angle that is greater than 180. 180 is a straight angle. Then greater than 180. That angle is called a reflex angle. Clear? How to draw reflex angle? So get this. So this straight line means you get 180. 180 is a straight angle, that is 180 degree. Above 180, in protractor you can see above 180 means that is 190, 200 like this. Clear? So this is reflex angle. Reflex angle. This line comes here. So this is above 180 degree. You can draw like this, reflex angle. Clear? So the next angle, sixth one is complete angle. So what is complete angle? Complete one circle. Clear? So that is the angle is a complete turn add up to 360 degrees. So it's what? 360 degree. This is called a complete angle. Complete angle. Clear? So it measures what? Exactly 60 degree. The angle is a complete turn add up to 360 degree. That is called complete angle. Okay? Straight angle means the straight angle is an internal angle which is equal to 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So next reflex angle that is greater than 180 degree. But what is the complete angle? Measures exactly 360 degree. Clear? The angle is a complete turn add up to 360 degree. That is complete angle. Thank you. Next concept about complementary angle and supplementary angle. So first we will see what is complementary angles. Complementary angle means if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary angles. For example, say understood sum means addition. If you add any two angles, 45 degree plus 45 degree, here are two angles. Sum means plus. Here the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. That means that is called a complementary angles. Complementary angles means sum of two angles is 90 degree. So here the angle is one angle I consider 45, another angle is also 45. So 45 plus 45, which is 90 degree. Clear? So any two angles. For example, if I consider this angle is 30 degree and another angle is how much? 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 is 60. Correct? So that means 60 plus 30. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. If you get the measure of angle, sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, then we can say that it is a complementary angle. It may be, for example, if this is a 20 degree, then this is 70 degree. 20 plus 70 is a 90 degree. Sum of any two sum of angles should get a 90 degree. That is complementary angle. Sometimes they will ask questions like this. They will give one angle, only one angle. Here the one angle is a 50 degree. Okay, the one angle is 50 degree. What about complementary angle of 50 degree? What is complementary of 50 degree? That means how we will find 90 total. Sum of two angle is 90. Sum of two angle is 90. So from 90 you have to subtract 50 degree. From 90 you have to subtract 50. Your answer is 40 degree. Clear? So another complementary angle of 50 is 40. So 50 plus 40 is 90 degree. Clear? From 90 if you subtract that angle you get another angle. So sum of two angles 50 plus 40 degree will get 90 degree. That is what? Complementary angle. Similarly we can see what is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means if the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Sum of two, sum means plus. So for example, if I add two angles, one angle is see here I wrote 60 and 120 degree. So 60 plus 120, that is exactly equal to 180 degree. Clear? So this is what? Straight line. Straight line that if you divide like this one angle measures 60 degree and another angle measures this is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. So total 120 plus 60. 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. This is what? Supplementary angle. So what is supplementary angle? If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called as supplementary angles. Clear? So if I consider, so this is straight line. If you can consider 90 degree plus 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 also 180 degree, right? So these angles are called as supplementary angle. Complementary angle means sum of measure of two angle is 90 degree, and supplementary means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. So that is example supplementary and complementary angle. So sometimes if they ask to find supplementary angle of 120 degree, that means from 180 you have to subtract 120. So 180 minus 120 we get 60 degree. Clear? So this is a method to find supplementary angle and complementary angle. So definition is very important. So complementary angle means if the sum of two angle is 90, it is called complementary. Supplementary means the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Clear?